my channel, guys. Today I want to tell some things. Today's Easter and I made a jumbo jet Emirates.
Starting to rain.
And it was the biggest plane. Starting to rain. That's okay. It's okay. It's raining. It started raining right now. Look at the sky, Mommy.
Wow.
It's raining. We can play on the grass.
Yay!
I have an idea, guys. So every big brick here, we could put it in direction. So pretend there was, say, wings here, and so they can go here. Yeah, guys. Okay. Like that. And then these now get another wing, so it goes here. And now take the wheels off and they go into wheel direction. Wheel, and wheel, and wheel. Okay, so this wheel is for to go in front so it doesn't land stupid. And now, and the body's, the whole body, and the body goes into body direction. Body's over here. And now, how are we gonna put it together? Can you help me, guys? Okay, so now I don't know what these are. What are those again? Oh yeah, the top and the top one. So now we are going to put these here together. Okay. So now, and now, wait, is there this? Let's take off the whole body. There we go. And now we are going, isn't this how big it is? Who's running? Sorry guys, okay, jumbo jet Emirates, and it's the biggest plane of all. You can see it flying everywhere, but you can't see it in Australia. Okay. You're only in Australia, comes for a little bit. Only when you see it taking off, you can't see it. Last time I saw it taking off, did not know what time that was.
This is Australia. This is Australian plane. You can't see it.
These are the wheels that I have. And they can fly to the highest in 800,000 meters. It flies up the sky. When it's landing, it only looks different when it's landing. And okay, so first the part of the plane we're gonna start is the front. So the front here is where the pilot sits and drives the airplane, but I don't know how to drive an airplane. I don't know how he drives it. Oh, but I know how he drives the steamer, but nothing else. And the first, we did that, and then here are the wings of the airplane. And these are the wide wings, and it's 700 jumbo jet plane. Early made out of Lego, and 700, it's how many meters? The media is called 7-8 million meters of the wings are 100. Only that. And the next part, these are the back wings. So I'm going to take off the back wings. So this back wings are only for flying. So the back wings so it doesn't just fly like this, and then it doesn't start taking off forever into the moon. So they have back wings, so you can just let it fly and fly the sky. And here is take it off. The wide tail is the emerald's tail. The tail was. So it's a tail, like it's a very tail. But if a tail went in the front here, that would not look like an airplane. Because if it was like that flying, that won't look good. Because this is what will happen. Nothing will fly off. Nothing will take off. So it will be just doing this. So we're just doing this forever, like this. Just taking off into the moon, and then if it smashes into a moon, it breaks, and then it comes on fire. So now we made it together. Now I don't need Cookie to just play the whole video. Okay? You playing Carmelo? Yeah? You play with it? I just know about it.
I'm playing in the grass.
Not playing it's scary. It is not scary. It's the funnest thing. Beep, beep, beep. Oh yeah, it's not the funnest thing. It's only hold on. So you have the wheels on. The wheels twist. Gonna be smashed. It's not wet anymore, it's no. It is Easter today. Look, today's Easter. Shh. Look at the Easter plane. Oh, that's not an Easter plane. But it is a happy Easter.
That's the Easter plane.
Qantas. Not Qantas?
That's Easter and that's Easter plane Qantas.
Emirates. That's a propeller Qantas?
No, that's Qantas.
Propeller Qantas? Bye guys. We'll see you in the next video. Today I'm finished. Now we're up to this close. So now we're up to this close. I'm saying bye now. That's the close. And now, so bye bye. See you.